Welcome to Fonts Learn. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to print Crystal Report without Report Viewer in C#. To play the demo, you can create a new Windows Forms application project. Next, drag a button control from the Visual Studio toolbox to your form. Right-click on your project, then add a new Crystal report to your project. You can drag a text object from the Crystal Report toolbox to your report, then enter a text. Finally, add a click event handler to the print button allows you to print the Crystal Report document. You can use the Print Dialog class to display the print dialog that allows you to select the printer name. You can use the Report Document class to help you print the Crystal Report. If you don't want to show the print dialog box, you can set printer name for the Crystal Report document, then call the print-to-printer method to print the Crystal Report document to the printer. You should set the Crystal Report to always copy to the output directory. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.